Generally speaking, the combination of ESC and the flight controller we call it stock, and it's okay to purchase the ESC and the flight controller separately, and there are not strict requirements for them to match, but there still are a few suggestions for you to consider. Firstly, it's best to buy an ESC and a flight controller from the same brand. That means buy a stock from one company. If you buy ESC from MEPS, better to pair it with a MEPS flight controller. This can help avoid some potential small issues. The tuning for ESC and the flight controller can be difficult. Also try to buy newly released stock, as it will likely have many improvements and better design. As for ESC, of course higher current can be better, but usually higher max current means higher price, and 45 ampere can be suitable for most pilots, so we suggest you a 45 ampere ESC is sufficient. The most ESC failures occurs due to short circuits, not because the ESC couldn't handle the maximum current. For flight controller, an F4 processor is typically enough. You don't necessarily need to choose an F7, although F7 controllers have become more and more popular, and they're not significantly more expensive. So don't be confused. The function on flight controller are more important for you to consider.